Und really sorry. Und so even more. Come on, be sorry. Yeah. Sorry, Mama. Anywho. Yeah, we don't dress Tywod. And we seriously promise her. Seriously now. Seriously. But then the next episode. Beth bach yn cael gyma. O ie, chi'n cofio y 4 fideo diwetha? O'n nhw'n blurry. Chi'n cofio bod e fel blub 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 blub. Fel y screen fel y dim yn good. Ond fi sorto hwnna nawr. Y well nawr, o'n i arfer i fideo camera i fel zoom o fe mewn. Nawr fi cael rhywbeth sy'n actually recordo'r screen. So, yeah, maen nhw'n good. Yeah. Hefyd, ni'n mynd i cael party. Yeah, party. Yeah, please cacen. Yes, cacen. Yes, let's go. Ni'n mynd i cael beach party. Ond so i fan yn y party. Y next episode, ni'n mynd i wneud party arall, ond gyda Ifan. Seriously, bydd fi yn wneud e gyda Ifan fwy. Yeah. Chi'n cofio last episode, nes i ffindes i mushroom biome. Chi'n gweld y map? Sa'n ffili gweld e? Na, sa'n gweld e. O ie, fyna ma fe. Chi'n gweld y dots na ma gwerf. Fyna ma village, so fyna ma mushroom biome. Yeah, an amazing feeling, best day of my life. And so Ifan bod ma. I wish he was here. I wish he was here. Yeah, ni'n mynd i gael party ar y beach. A fi'n mynd i prynu bach o drinks I fi. Okay, na'n ei ddifri. Okay. Hello, sir. Would you be chi'n hoffi drink bach? Yeah, please. Fi sy'n drink. Fi'n cael party a fi. Yeah, cael mawr arno fi. Chi'n cael bag fel fi de. Yeah, very good. Be chi sy'n de? Fi sy'n just dŵr. Fel, lot o dŵr, please. Okay, na I cael e nawr I chi. Dim crafting table. Diolch, fi sy'n hwnna. Baid byw yn costi. £1. Please, £1. Okay, na rhoi dweud I chi. Dyma arian fi fyna. Copy sir. Diolch. Na doon y collection fi. Wel, ta-ta. Yeah, ta-ta. Hwnna'n good o fe. Yn good. Ni'n cael beach ball parties and stuff. Fi di practice on now. So cool. Di fe dot on. Wow. Na rhoi bach y dŵr yn mynd nôl as di lle llenwi ar lan eto. Beach parties. Na just neud e. Yeah, i'n hoffi y Siona nes e, kind of. Mae dal da fi'r iron armour o'r lle, ie, chi'n gofio? Fi'n tynnu armour beth. Beach party! Sa'i ffili twliau? Fi'n mushroom yn ffili twliau? Falle. Mae mushroom... Yes! Sa'i ffili twliau. Fi'n rubbish. Okay, og beth arall ni wedi gwneud yn neud sandcastle. Yeah, sandcastle. Huge. Wel, ti allu mynd mewn nawr. Dim to os bydd ffili gwneud e. Oes dim sand? Oes yn bach. I'm a kid. I'm scared of sand. Whoa. Yeah, mae'r thing newydd ma sydd da fi yn amazing. Mae dad fi cael ei fi. Os ti wedi dad, diolch. Let's go, 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 go. Mynd in. Cael loads of sand, os fi sy'n sandcastle huge. Mae'n siŵr fwy na digon nawr. Fi bod yn gweud ni. Na just cael 2 stack. Yeah. O Ifan ffili join fi heddi o fel holiday. Yeah, fel holiday. Ond next episode, mae'r dod nôl o holiday fan gweud i fi. Yeah. Holiday, mae Ifan yno. Okay, so fel holiday, mae fi jyst yn sal. Na pam so fe ffili join fi. Ond next episode, boom, I'm ready to join a bit. Okay, here we go, sandcastle. Cheaper. Into cheaper. Into cheaper. Don't know it. Yep. Boom. Now, ficar. Bit far wrong read. We need to have a plan and a World Ice and a pocket edition. Oh my god. There you go. Now, yeah, we need a phone. We need a phone. I just need a phone. Hang on, allai wneud hwn. Wneud edges fel la. There you go. There you go. Yeah, chi'n gweld e? Y mission by hwn. Fi'n mynd i cysgu gyda. A dylfedyd off y screen. Nawr. There you go. Fi'n mynd i cysgu nawr. A fi'n mynd i ffisio yn y bore, a yn y sandcastle, a cake castle. I love Minecraft. It's the best game ever, I say. I say. Oh, come on. It's late. Cooking. Yay! Si bava. Bava. Yeah, si bava. Cysgu nawr. Amser cysgu. Ni'n trial bildo castle ma. Mae quick yn gallu neud, so ni sy'n gostoffi amser. Wedyn gallu ni cael fel late night party neu rhywbeth. Ond mae'n bwyd glaw, never. Never. Gallu ni sandstone fel to. Ie, mae'n angod. Yeah, na i crafto bach o sandstone nawr. Mae sandstone da, nen. Mae slab o'na. Nen mae sandstone. O, un. Sy'n neud y cwbl bach sandstone, actually. There you go. Torri hwn. Hwn bydd the best sandcastle ever in Minecraft. Pickaxe. There you go. Os chi'n gwybod, mae da fi Minecraft yn y Pocket Edition, da fi yn o PC, da fi yn o Xbox, a fi'n chwarae yn o PlayStation gyda ffrind fi. Ond fi wedi gwneud fideo fel la, mewn fel y fideo nesaf o'r fideo fi wedi gwneud nesaf. Mwyn os yn y wedi ydy. And more sand. Fi wedi casglu lot o sand. Sand, 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 sand. Go on, sand, sand, sand. This girl. Oh, that's 25 sand. Stupid. Yeah, and then I'm going to try and sandstone with it. We need a lake by the swamp one day. It's gonna be the best sandcastle ever in Minecraft. I've even got a bit of sand of it. Handy. One friend. Music. Friend. Let me water bucket fee. Look, you can see iron now last episode. Think of that. You showed the land. Now. Okay, come we do a film event. No man. Hang on, I need infinite water source. Then. Hotterborna in a film banner. Yeah, hotter be very evenly. In a snowman. Till become more iron. Oh yeah, my iron now. Is your miner där inne svarta? Oh, tree. Det är en bucket där. Nej, vi har en shears. Bucket, no shears. Think about it. Really no bucket. Let's have a cobblestone. Awesome. Sniffers. Okay. Furnace och smelt iron. Sen där vi coal. Obsidian before? Nah, I just tried another. We have a minute lot. What bucket? Bucket! Oh, there it is. Oh, sheesh. Yep. Okay, just kind of fill on now. Nothing done. Oh, that sounds so... Oh, no. Whatever. I'm imagining things. Dilych what's your adventure map now with Stamper Squid? Anyway, Finding Nemo. Mae 2 part wedi dod fe mas nawr. Fi wedi watcha fe. Fi wedi watcha y 2 part. A dilych chi watcha fe hefyd. Mae'n marw lot o parkour. Mae'n huge parkour. So, huge. How do you watch it? It's amazing! Oh, yeah, iron is Oh, there's a tree! Yes, there's a bucket there. Good. Don't want to die a piece of wood if I'm in. Yes. Oh, no. Oh, sorry, come on. So something about doing that. Yeah, but I just fell off inland. Oh, what do we have about? Go. Mae fideo ma wedi bod yn good fideo achos dim blurry, nag e? Sy'n blurry. Oh, da fi un bucket a fi cadw ngofio. Clumsy me. I'm always clumsy, Ivan says. Fan hyn. Fyna. A fyna fi'n fynifo. Yeah, we're just about... Oh, smell it well. We're just about end of the video now. I just spennu y castell ma. Fi'n gallu nawr... I just spennu y castell, a nes yn off ma hwnna. Go. Castell ma bym epic. Yn amazing. So, fi'n mynd i siarad wrth bildo nawr. Rhowch comments o stwff, gallai siarad â chi wedyn os chi'n ei YouTube videos. A smashwch y like button na. Wedyn bydd fi yn really hapus a neu rhoi comment i pwy bynnag sy'n smasho like button na. A gyntaf fi'n torches. Ond da fi torches na o mine na, not too shabby. Yeah, not too shabby. Oh no. Yeah, actually, we're not feeling that. So, end the video now. Sadly, when I say no fun, because they're really not kind of cool. I like it. And I just hide un block olaf ar y top ma. So mae just about the end of the video. Yeah, fi'n gweini 1,000 times. Yeah, mae end of the video now, so smashwch y like button na fel nath chi gweud. Yeah, na gweld chi wedyn. Ta-ta! Wait, seat. To put seat down. Aww. Whatever. Ta-ta.